You got your parts playing? Yeah,
Parts, baby.
Yeah.
Overnight from Japan.
You see it. You know what I'm saying?
We're about to open them up.
Yeah, boy, you see it. You gonna open it?
You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. I'm already recording.
First parts from Japan, baby. That's what everybody be saying.
Yeah, bro.
Ooh.
Ooh, okay. Packaging is good. Z1 did a good job.
Look, Father,
Yeah.
for you. This is high quality for the work we do.
Damn.
Whoa, whoa.
Yeah, you see it?
Yeah, you see it.
Nissan, you know what I'm saying?
This is just a lot of money just in here.
Yes, sir.
A lot of moolah. Damn. New disc clutch.
Yeah, that's the disc.
Disc clutch.
The
Throw out bearing
Yeah.
clutch for the transmission. Woo! We gonna show you this one. How's this look sound?
Oh yeah.
The
that's
other one sounds hella
hella bad.
What?
You can't even hear it.
You can't even hear this. Right there, baby. Right there. Original parts.
Wait, hold on.
Original parts from Japan. I ain't playing.
Hold on. There it is.
I wasn't playing. I wasn't playing, baby.
Japan.
Yeah. Japan.
Japan, boy, you see it?
Japan, baby. Ooh wee. What is these? What are these?
Those
what
are
are
the-
these? The
Nice
truss
timing.
washers.
Nissan.
Right here, Nissan. Original parts.
Yeah, the thrust washer.
Truss washers. This is the lower.
This one.
Lower, and this is the
That must be the upper then. This one's
might
the
be
lower.
the upper. This says lower on there.
Missing
We
another
missing
one.
the other one. You got the upper and the lower. And then what do we got
Ahí
here?
está, ve? Right there.
Oh, here's the other one.
Yeah, those are the uppers probably.
These are the upper parts. The uppers, and here is the heart of the
engine.
the engine.
Does it say Nissan?
Hell yeah,
Dang.
Nissan Group. Infiniti. Yep, Infiniti 2.
Damn, hold on, my shit's so bright. Hold on.
Hey,
But
what does that say? Genuine. Oh my God, genuine.
Here he goes. Yep. Datsun sale ahí también. Datsun.
Yep, Datsun. Yep.
Yeah.
You're about to open it. Woo wee!
Damn, nice packaging, bro.
Damn,
For
it's
parts?
brand new seal. Seal on the box.
For parts, that's good packaging. Damn, like an animal.
Not anymore. Oh wee! Another one? God dang.
Bien, bro.
Hey, Daddy said, you know what I'm saying? What he
What
said?
did Daddy say?
Are those original parts?
Yeah, Daddy, they original,
They're
bro.
original,
Come on,
man.
man.
You
Play
know
with
what
me.
I'm saying? You know what I'm saying?
Daddy, will be playing too much.
You know what I'm saying?
Ooh, see it?
Ooh, Nissan.
Where that? Let me focus on one time. Hold on. For the viewers. Nissan, you see it? Oh, original,
You see it.
baby.
Go ahead, baby. Take care of it, baby. Right
Oh,
here.
original.
I'll put this one to the side.
Yeah. Keep
And
the
then
box.
And then we got this one.
Mishimoto?
Mishimoto.
I don't know if I'm saying it right, something like that. But they make good turbos. That's what I've heard.
This is the thermostat.
Thermostat. Nice packaging too, man.
Thermostat. Mishimoto. It says it's OEM too, so
Well, it should be.
it's
Replace
Mishimoto replace, yeah.
the OEM. Yeah. Thermostat.
Thermostat. Mishimoto.
Gotta focus. There we go. Yup, Mishimoto. We got it. It even says the temperature on there.
Yup. 89 Celsius.
Ponela ahí en la cajita.
And then we got, I think this is the last one. Yep. You already see it.
Whoa, oh yeah, yeah, Nissan.
Nissan. Yeah, this is the complete set of the gaskets
Oh, yeah.
for your motor.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Yeah, be careful, don't get dust or anything on that.
Oh snap.
There you go, Daddy. You was asking to see if it was original, you know what I'm saying? There you go, you know what I'm saying?
There's one more in there, pa. Can you take it out for me? Mami, ponémelo ahí, mami.
Sí.
Yeah, ponémelo ahí, agarra la caja, papi. There you go. Yep.
There go all the parts, man.
Go all the parts. All your gaskets and seals. I don't even know what that is. I don't even know what this is.
No, I don't know.
You got all your seals, your rubbers. You know what I'm saying? Nissan.
Yup.
You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying, baby? Nissan, and you got your things right here.
Your little rubber.
Yeah, the
seal.
master guy.
The master guy.
The mechanic guy, we call him the master guy. He's gonna have a fun. He's gonna have a blast putting this on.
Yeah, new everything.
New everything, and we still waiting for
More parts.
more parts. The fluid head gasket. Oh, it's got the
Tight.
Yep. Everything brand new. Nissan.
Yeah.
Original.
Yeah.
Yeah, we don't play around, boy.
Yeah. Brand new.
Este es de la... De las...
No, pero no sale.
Es de la válvula.
Yeah. The valves.
Nuestro
Yep.
los sellos, pero no los voy a ocupar.
Pero
¿No lo va a quitar?
No lo va a quitar.
No, no los va a quitar, que van en el sello de la válvula.
Pero ahí trae todo, man. There's even rubber.
You think he's gonna need all this? All these rubbers and stuff? All these ones, yeah, I know he's gonna need. And this ones.
Y aquí viene el de la bomba del aceite.
Sí,
Mhm,
el
that
del
one.
aceite. Nuevecita. Man, boy.
Yeah, that's a lot of money though.
Pockets be
A
hurting.
lot of money though.
Pockets be hurting. Man.
make sure you subscribe. Make sure you subscribe, give a like, you know what I'm saying? Comment and share.
All that good stuff.
Yeah.
Este tiene que usar para poner el gasket.
Estes.
Sí, él tiene que usar esto, el de la masa. Trae todo el original, bro.
Yeah, we out.
We out.
That's it
Make
for
sure
today.
you stay tuned. We coming up with more parts, you know what I'm saying? When they arrive, we gonna give you a little video.
Yeah, a little video of everything we get. We out. See you guys in the next clip.